Welcome to video number 232 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, we are going to learn something very interesting. That is, when people ask you questions, it doesn't mean that you have to give a long reply. Sometimes just a small reply such as, I cannot, I won't, I don't, no. Such small answers are enough. Sometimes they are considered curt, but that is not always the case. We will see some very effective reply like that. So this is it. Just imagine, do you want to go to school tomorrow? No. You want to eat? No. Can you do this for me? No, I cannot. Will you do it tomorrow? No, I won't. So that's it. So when a simple answer to reply. Did you go there? நீ அங்க போனியா? நீ அங்க போனியா? Imagine that's a quarrel between these two. நீ அங்க போனியா? The answer can be இல்ல. No. இல்ல. போகல is kind of a little more clear. I did not go. I did not go. போகல. But the simple answer can be இல்ல. No. Can you help me? கொஞ்சம் உதவி பண்ணுறியா? கொஞ்சம் உதவி பண்ணுறியா? Can you help me? மாட்டேன். I won't. மாட்டேன். மாட்டேன். Or more precisely, பண்ண மாட்டேன். பண்ண மாட்டேன். பண்ண மாட்டேன். But மாட்டேன் is enough. கொஞ்சம் உதவி பண்ணுறியா? Can you help me? மாட்டேன். Again, imagine some quarrel between this person and a person on the other side, other end of the telephone. Says, just come in person, let us talk. நேர்ல வாயேன் பேசலாம். நேர்ல வாயேன், that is come in person, just come in person, பேசலாம், let us talk. And the person says, முடியாது, I cannot. முடியாது. வர முடியாது is I cannot come, but முடியாது is I cannot, I can't. வர முடியாது. Hey, do you have any money with you? கையில காசு ஏதாவது வச்சிருக்கியா? கையில காசு ஏதாவது வச்சிருக்கியா? கிடையாது. I don't have. Or என்கிட்ட எதுவும் கிடையாது. I do not have any with me. That shortly becomes கிடையாது. Shall I come with you? நான் கூட வரவா? வேணாம். No need. Or எதுவும் வேணாம். That is still no help needed. I don't need anything. So the shorter reply can be வேணாம். No need. But you can, just with a little humming sound, you can reply to that instead of even that small one or two words. Are you coming? Mm-hmm. Can you help me? Mm-hmm. Will you come? Mm-hmm. Do you have any? Mm-hmm. So it is mm-hmm with the same intensity, same mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. So it can mean no, I cannot, I won't, no. It's simply that you are declining. Mm-hmm. So it is mm-hmm. But people also say uh-huh, uh-huh. So it is mm-hmm or uh-huh. Listen to it carefully. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Are you coming? Mm-hmm. Can you help me? Will you come? Do you have any? So it can also be or Interestingly, we have started the Telegram also. We are having a small group. It's for you to participate, talk to other members, and also the Instagram Learn Speak Tamil, where you'll see very small posts and small videos to regularly brush up your Tamil language learning. All the best with your Tamil. Best wishes. Vanakkam.